This is the item that I'm going to do a unboxing and a review of. And hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a requested video about something very specific. So this is the item that I'm going to do a unboxing and a review of. And yeah, let's get into this video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and blogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So as I told you, I'm going to review this item today and I'm also going to unbox it. So we can start with the unboxing. This is kindly loaned by VINTAGEFEVER. I will tag them in the description box down below so you can check them out if you want to. But yeah, let's move on to the unboxing. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know already what it is. And the item that I'm going to review today is the Clic in the size 16. This is with palladium hardware and in the color taupe, and also in Epsom. So here you can see how it looks. The stickers are still on it and I don't plan to take them off because this is only loaned, and I have had it on loan for 2 weeks now, and it is a bag that I really enjoyed having. But over to more specifics about the bag. So you can open it up and then you will have some slots for example, your cards, but also a pocket here for some smaller things, and also one compartment in the middle here. The back, it is just plain and no back pocket. The bag also comes with a strap. So here is the strap. It is basically like the Kelly to go strap because you slide it in here. And then you put it on the knot here. So now one of the attachments is on, and let's put on the other one. So now both ends of the strap is on, and now it becomes a shoulder and crossbody bag. I don't know the specifics in my head right now, but I will put the length here so you can see how long it is. But I can comfortably fit it crossbody. And now you have a crossbody and shoulder bag, but also a clutch, because you can wear it like this without the strap. And also I think it is a very beautiful Hermès bag because it is very understated, and also I really like the lock. You push this one down. Here is the clasp, and then you just push it in when you are locking it. And also, surprisingly, this fits quite a decent amount of stuff in my mind, because I can fit my Chanel card holder, and I can also fit a lipstick, my key pouch, and some other things. The only downside about this bag is that I cannot fit my phone. You can easily see that this one doesn't fit in any way. So that's a little bit on the downside, but it is just a wallet on chain. So I think probably the Kelly to go would be easier to put your phone in because it is more rectangular than square like this one. But I also think it is a very beautiful bag. And also when it comes to the pricing, I haven't found any pricing of the bag, but this one retails for around 20,000 Norwegian kroners, which is equal to around $2,000. Which I found to be not bad at all, because this one is brand new with the stickers on and comes with everything. So yeah, I really like this bag. I used it a lot, and I also think it is a very practical bag to have with you when you are going, for example, grocery shopping, because then you can wear it crossbody and you are easily hands-free. And also I really like the silhouette of this one because it is quite slim, so it doesn't feel like you are wearing a bag compared to other bigger bags, for example the Bobby bag, where it sticks out a lot more than this. I kind of really like it. And also what kind of surprised me as well is that I don't normally like a taupe because I don't like how it looks in the boutique, but when I had this one on loan and got to see it in different lighting and everything, I have to say that I'm liking a taupe more. However, I'm not that into a taupe yet, but yeah, it is a color that has actually grown on me, and I've also styled it with black but also with white like today. And I also think it is a very easy color to style. I think it is such a beautiful bag. And over to the question, would I buy it? I think so, eventually, but it isn't a bag that I will prioritize. If the opportunity comes, of course I will consider it, but it isn't something that I'm hunting for right now. But in my mind, it is a very beautiful bag and also very practical. So if you are looking for a wallet on chain, which is a little bit different than all the others, because you have the classic Chanel wallet on chains, but you also have the Kelly to go, and also when it comes to the pricing, I think this one is much more worth it than the Kelly to go, because it is very minimalistic, but also everybody doesn't have it, and for the pricing I think it is much more worth it, especially with the price that Vintage Fever has on this one. They also have one in Bordeaux with gold hardware, which is also very beautiful. I think I would like to loan that one to see if I like Bordeaux more than a taupe. And also with gold hardware, you know that I am mostly a gold hardware girl. So therefore I feel that this isn't my cup of tea 100%, but I think it is a very beautiful bag because I think the details and everything is very beautiful, and also the price. So yeah, I don't think I have that much more to talk about when it comes to this bag, because I cannot do a in-depth video because I have had it for only 2 weeks. But I think it is a very practical bag, and you can also fit surprisingly much, because that was the thing that I was a little bit curious when it comes to this bag. Can it fit a lot, or can it fit just barely anything? But yeah, it really surprised me, and I also like the details, and also that you can wear it multiple ways. I think that's also very good, and you can also easily detach the strap if you want to and wear it like a clutch. And also the opening, I think it is much more practical to have an opening like this one when it comes to wallet on chains, because with the Kelly to go you have the sangles and you also have the turn lock, which I found to be a little bit difficult to get into when you are closing it all the way, and especially for a walk, which I feel that you should be able to access the bag very easily because you have your cards in it and only a few things. And when you only have a few things, I feel that you mostly have the things that is very important and that you plan to use. I found this one to be a lot more practical when it comes to the opening, because you only push this one down and then it opens, and you can also just close it with pushing it in. And yeah, I will do some mod shots of the bag and how it looks on me and how I have styled it. But I think that was it for this mini unboxing review kind of video. And if you have any questions, just leave them below and I will try my best to answer them. I hope you guys enjoyed it either way, and I will leave the link to Vintage Fever down below so you can check them out if you want to. That was it for this review and unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.